I have more deals that I have to show you really quick so you don't miss the opportunity. The first thing I want to show you is the Balmain Bodysuit. I just posted this on my previous Black Friday deals and it literally just arrived. And I am so happy. It looks gorgeous and so sexy. I'm going to get tons of wear out of this. The link to everything will be in the description box below. Next, I have to show you these Versace deals. These are incredible. All the links in the description box, guys, but you have to act fast, okay? The price on these bags is absolutely insane. We're talking half price for luxury. I also love these items from the home collection. The slippers, look at the price. And look at the robes. Like, these robes are $200 to $300 cheaper from their regular price. And you know Versace robes are it. And what a perfect gift idea, right? I also want to show you this bag. How gorgeous. This is actually from the men's department, but $347 with tons of style. This tote is absolutely incredible. Perfect for work, travel every day. This is a great gift idea. This is a sleep mask with a beautiful silk pouch. For the pet lovers out there, how cool to have your puppy walking around in a Versace doggy shirt. I personally love the Versace slides. We have this classic style for $197 or this one from the new collection, which is on sale for $237. Obsessed with these swim trunks, $162 for you to be styling on the pool or the beach. For my fufu people out there, a pink Versace pillow for $197. Now Versace glasses are next level. This is not cheap, but it's half price of what it was before. Now the next few items you will get an additional 20% off at checkout. Let's start with Balenciaga. Look at this hat, how gorgeous. My daughter actually purchased these off-white sunglasses. They are stylish as hell, guys. I got this pair right here for $135 plus 20% off. These sunglasses make your looks next level. To me, the most beautiful combat boots out there are these from Off-White. After the 20% off, they'll be under $600. I love this rainbow print Off-White t-shirt. And oh my lord, this Fendi phone holder is everything, and you can use it as a mini bag. And lots of Balenciaga sneakers as well. So click below and happy shopping.